notice the massive results, so I have to do another batch. Struggling with slow hair growth, breakage, or thinning edges, these powerful natural oil blends might be exactly what your hair needs. Today, I'm showing you a supercharged hair growth remedy made with rosemary, moringa, star anise, and a lot of oils, also shea butter. This actually works, and if you want to know more, please keep on watching. The reason why these ingredients works is because they are packed with nutrients that stimulate hair follicles, improve scalp health, and boost hair growth. And if you are struggling to grow your hair, these are the kinds of ingredients that should be present in your hair growth to stimulate the scalp so that more blood will reach the scalp and also nourish the strands of your hair. I'm doing the double boiling method because I really wanted to use this oil. The one I've prepared has finished, and I used this oil for 2 weeks and I noticed the massive results, so I have to do another batch. Rosemary on its own improves blood circulation to the scalp, similar to some hair growth treatments anyway. Moringa on the other hand is rich in vitamin A and E, which strengthen hair and reduce breakage. Star anise has antimicrobial properties that keep your scalp clean and healthy, and oils are deeply moisturizing and they lock shine in your hair. Why sieving your oil? I personally like wicker because they protect those residues from entering my oil. And make sure you are using a cheesecloth or something that has little tiny holes so that you will not get residues in your hair. I hope that makes sense. You can see the potency in the eye from this oil. So if you really want to grow your hair, and if you're already in the business of making sure your edges are not eaten up from protective style, then this oil is just for you. With consistent use, you may start noticing softer, stronger hair within weeks, like I've noticed my own just in 2 weeks. For best results, stay consistent, avoid excessive heat, and keep your scalp clean. You must wash your hair on your weekly or how you normally wash your hair with a good shampoo for this to work. Not when your hair is dirty, the follicles are being blocked from dirt, and you're expecting massive results in just 2 weeks. It doesn't work like that. I'm not promising you magic here. I'm just telling you what works and how you will get your results. And the way I used to take out my protective style, as soon as I'm taking it out, I'm replacing it with another one. You can see what I'm doing. Not that this is my permanent or my long-term protective style, but it will help my ends and my hair to stay away from tangles because I don't like to detangle. It pains my scalp. Like I said, I've used this oil for 2 weeks to do this challenge. This protective style that you're seeing me that I'm taking out today has lasted me just 2 weeks, and you can see and tell that it actually grows my hair out from the scalp. So, and if you want to apply this oil, apply the oil directly to your scalp at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Massage gently for 5 good minutes to boost circulation. Leave it on for at least 1 hour or overnight, or to deep condition your hair. Then if you want, you can wash it out in the next morning. Or for me, I used to wash it out when I'm washing my hair on my wash days, and also leave it in as a leave-in treatment. I hope what I'm saying is making sense. Thing happens overnight, so if you want results, you stick with what I'm saying. A bonus tip for this oil: you can just add few drops of castor oil. Please, if you are still here with me, thank you so much for watching. Do me well by liking or give me a comment, or you can also share my videos to more people. I've dyed my hair anyway. I think that video is already up. I dyed my hair, and anyways, that's the shed hair I had. So thank you so much for watching. This oil, if you really want to grow your hair fast naturally at home without expensive products, this is a real hair oil that has helped me, that I'm bringing it to your table. So if you want to grow your hair and you are serious about, do not miss out on this oil, because it will show you the miracle you have been expecting for so long that you are not seeing it. It is inside this oil. The secret lies here, and it's not just making this oil that is the point. When you make this oil, make sure you are using it to massage your hair, or you can use it as a pre-poo. And when you make your hair in your protective style, you are applying this oil on your scalp. I hope that makes sense. You can see how thick my hair is is from using this oil. So if you like what you are seeing so far, do me well by liking and subscribing, and stay tuned to my next video, because in my next video I'm going to share my tips of how I grew my hair from zero to where my hair is at the moment. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.